How do expert witnesses help in arson cases? Imagine trying to solve a fire mystery without the right tools or knowledge. That's where expert witnesses step in to clarify what really happened during a fire. They are specialists in fire science, and their role is vital in arson cases. These experts analyze evidence from the fire scene, like burn patterns and the presence of accelerants, to determine how the fire started and spread. Their explanations help jurors and judges understand complex fire behavior, which is often beyond everyday knowledge. This is especially important because arson charges depend on proving that the fire was intentionally set, not just accidental. Expert witnesses also review the investigation process conducted by law enforcement. They look for mistakes, biases, or outdated methods that might have influenced the findings. For example, they might question whether burn patterns were correctly interpreted or if the evidence of accelerants was properly collected. If they find errors, they can challenge the prosecution's case, making it harder to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. This scrutiny helps protect the rights of the accused and ensures that only solid evidence leads to a conviction. In addition, expert witnesses make fire science understandable for everyone in the courtroom. They break down technical details into simple language, so jurors can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. Their unbiased opinions focus solely on the facts and scientific evidence, not on assumptions or guesses. Defense attorneys often relying on these experts to cross-examine prosecution witnesses and to suggest alternative explanations for the fire, such as accidental causes or environmental factors. In practical terms, expert witnesses help evaluate the fire scene and evidence for flaws or confirmation bias. They can question whether the evidence truly supports the claim of intentional arson. Their testimony can also support defenses that argue the fire was accidental or that there was no clear proof of intent. Sometimes, their analysis helps negotiate plea deals or decide whether to go to trial, based on how strong the fire evidence is. Overall, expert witnesses bring essential fire investigation knowledge that helps ensure a fair trial. They help prevent wrongful convictions by making sure the evidence is scientifically sound and properly interpreted. Their role is to provide clarity and fairness in cases involving property crimes like arson, where understanding the cause of the fire is key to justice.